Okay, trying Raising Cane's again because I went to the one in New York City in Manhattan and it was so bad. So now they finally opened one in New Jersey in Fairfield, and I feel like it's gonna be the real McCoy, you know? So I got the combo box, 4 chicken fingers, the Texas toast, crinkle fries, coleslaw, and the sauce. So let's give it a whirl. This is very fresh. Okay, we're gonna try the chicken finger first.
You're gonna eat that?
Yeah, why not?
It's hot. Damn.
Yeah, it's so much better than New York.
Oh yeah.
Okay. The crinkle fry. Okay. Now I'm understanding the hype. Let me try the coleslaw. That is a lot of coleslaw. Oh my god, you can't even see with the sun, but the coleslaw's good too. I mean, I feel like you can't really mess that up. And then I'm gonna wash it down with their lemonade.
Do the sandwich, Steph. Do the sandwich.
What?
You gotta do the sandwich.
No, I don't want to do a sandwich. I did not try the Texas toast though. Yeah. Okay. I get it now. Don't try Raising Cane's in New York because it's trash. If you want to try Raising Cane's, go somewhere else. But yeah, this is pretty good. I'm literally gonna devour this.